What is up, you awesome CistReactZ CistReactZ guys? Today, guys, we're playing a game called Dark Deception. So yeah, I've been seeing all kinds of YouTubers play this game.
Deception.
Oh god. So yeah, apparently this is a game with a killer monkey behind you. If you guys want to see daily videos, let me know in the comments below. Or if you guys want to see weekly videos. Anyway, here we go. Let's start off our month of horrors. It is done. Now my face flies into darkness. What is done? Are we gonna die? Probably a lot. Oh yeah. Press F.
Oh, another one. How
one.
nice to have some company again.
Okay.
Come over here. Let's have a look at you. You disappoint me, love. You really do. So many fears. So
Who's
many
this?
desires. I thought you'd be bigger. Don't
All
look so
right.
confused. I know everything
Oh,
you've
God.
got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done.
So I'm scared of monkeys?
So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul. Ha! But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg. You
All
can't
right.
go back. Only death awaits you there now.
Great.
Fear
What am I
not,
doing?
love. You've got potential. I see it in you. And I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
Yeah, get chased around by monkeys. Okay. This is the right game, right?
Powerful ring are hidden in nightmares
Oh.
behind each of these portals.
Okay.
Find them and bring them to me,
Oh.
and you'll get your wish.
Oh yeah.
Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Ah, dude. Feels so nice. About to start off the new life fresh.
Clock's ticking.
Oh! So we gotta go through different nightmare worlds to get our wish. And I guess the monkey's the first thing. Yo. Monkey business. Okay. I wanna die. Monkey business.
What a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories?
Oh no. Yo. He's not even moving. Okay. Check the area.
Going up?
I guess so. We here? We really here? I don't understand what's going on. I'm scared.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
Yes?
Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
Oh.
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Alright.
One more thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking
Monster
for you.
monkeys!
Here, you'll need this. It can detect each shard's location.
FNAF?
It was left by the last
Of course I say that, right?
guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl, just not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Why do you enjoy this? Alright. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like this! I don't like this! How do I know when it's behind me? I want to listen. Oh god! What is that?
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
I knew there was a monkey in this game. Okay. Not very cash money of you. Holy crap! Run! I'm standing up! I'm standing up! Oh! 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 What? This game is dumb!
Making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
What the heck? Watch out for the monkeys. Shut up, alright? Bro, my heart's beating. Alright. I'm being chased! I'm being chased! I'm being chased. I know I'm being chased. I can hear it. I see. Go! Alright. I mean, alright, Chief. Did I even... Those things are actually terrifying. What the heck? I burnt.
What a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories?
Why? Why did it have to be monkeys? Filthy ape! Shut up.
Now listen closely.
Shut up. You listen closely. Watch me clap these monkeys, alright? I'm about to clap these kids. And their stupid monkey business. You know what? Alright. I'm being chased. I'm being chased. I'm being chased. I'm being chased. Whoa! This is the worst game of Pac-Man ever! This is the worst game of Pac-Man ever. Oh! What open the door? This is bull! This is bull! I'm just warming up! Oh, you filthy Saiyan apes. Okay, alright. Nope. I can't do it. I can't do it. Whatever, nah. No.
That's okay.
I'm sorry. Nah. If y'all want me to continue this, I don't know. Do something about it. Hit the like, subscribe, notification. Yeah, y'all already know what to do.